I am Prashant Vishwakarma with roll number IC 2K2056. I am going to explain my cloud computing assignment for the test 3. And my next topic is cloud deployment models. What is a deployment model? It is majorly depends on 3 points: location, ownership and accessibility. Where does the infrastructure physically reside? Who owns and manages the hardware? How do users access the cloud? Is it over the public internet or secure private network? Public cloud. In a public cloud, the infrastructure is owned and managed by a third party cloud provider and delivered over the internet. Multi-tenancy. Hardware resources are shared among multiple organizations. Availability. Available to general public or a large industry group. Management. No hardware maintenance required by the user. Public cloud pros and cons. Advantages: lower cost, no upfront hardware investment, pay as you go pricing, no maintenance. The services providers manages infrastructure maintenance, near unlimited scalability, on demand resources available to meet traffic spikes, and it has disadvantages as well. Security concerns. Shared environment may not meet strict compliance needs. Less control. Limited customization of the underlying hardware configuring. Cost unpredictability. Cost can spiral if usage is not carefully monitored. Private cloud. A private cloud consists of cloud computing resources used exclusively by one business or organization. Location can be physically located at your own site data or hosted by a third party service provider. Network services and infrastructure are mentioned on a private network. Private cloud pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: maximum control, complete customization of hardware and software environments, high security and privacy, ideal for sensitive data and strict regulatory compliance. Performance: predictable performance with dedicated resources. Disadvantages: high cost, significant capital expenditure for hardware and software, and limited scalability. Scaling require buying and installing new physical servers. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud combines public and private cloud bound together by technically that allows data and application to be shared between them. Orchestration requires a management layer to move workload between environment. Flexibility keeps sensitive data secure on prem while processing public data in the cloud. Hybrid data pros and cons. Advantages: low latency for on prem apps, high speed for public facing apps. Flexibility: move workload to the best environment based on cost and security. Cost optimization: pay for temporary public cloud capacity only when needed. Disadvantages: complexity, more difficult to set up and manage than a single cloud environment. Visibility, harder to track resources and cost across multiple platforms. Compatibility, ensuring, in- ensuring legacy on prem app works seamlessly with public cloud. Okay, that's my time. Thanks for the video.